You want to play a guessing game?
I'll go.
Really quickly. Whose claw is that? What claw is that of?
I can't see past Charlie's hair.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, no, that would be a feat in itself.
Oh.
What animal?
Yeah, what animal?
I'm going parrot or something like that.
No,
Okay.
lizardy type thing.
Yeah, it looks like a lizard. Is that its eye there?
Oh.
Iguana. Well done.
Okay.
These pictures, how do you think they were created? Without looking too hard at the top.
Pencil dots. No.
Oh, a printer. Oh, no, I can see the picture on the left now.
Typewriter.
Are they done on a
Created on a
typewriter?
typewriter. Well done, Charlie.
Thank you.
I just think it's ingenious.
That's really good.
It's really,
Christopher
really...
Eccleston is brilliant.
Yeah,
that.
really, really good. Really,
Take a
anyway,
while
I
to
just
do
thought
that,
they were
wouldn't
nice
it?
pictures. Yeah, it takes so long for you to see it.
Old-fashioned typewriter, obviously.
Yeah,
There's
there's
a
a picture
Doctor
there.
Who theme
See
here.
many of those anymore,
Doctor
do you?
Who theme, yeah.
If you routinely still use an old-fashioned typewriter in your everyday life,
Send us a message.
send us a picture. Or, yeah, better still, write a thing, send it
That'd
by
be
post.
amazing.
That
I'd love
would
to get
be
a
lovely.
typewritten letter.
That would be lovely.
It's a proper art form. A handwritten letter, of course, but then a typewritten letter.
Yeah.
Did you ever type on a proper typewriter?
Didn't you?
I
Oh,
did.
Too young. I did. I learned to type on a typewriter.
Yeah,
Does it not do your
that- oh.
fingers in?
Yeah.
You're
It's really good.
Yep.